Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage your message requests on Messenger. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If someone who you are not connected with on Facebook send you a message, you'll receive a message request. Replying to a message request connect you with the person who sent request and lets you see any media they sent you. So on Messenger, you can manage your message request. You can open your Messenger, tap on the menu in here, the bottom right hand, the three dots over here. You can go to message request. In here, you can manage if there is a message request on your messenger, and you can choose who can message you. You can tap on that. And here you can manage the message delivery. And here you can choose who can send you chat, friends or from friend of friend on Facebook, deliver request to chat or on the message request, and also for the people in your Facebook group. When they send message to you, it deliver to chat or message request. And also on the message Facebook, you don't want to receive the message request, and you can just choose on message request. You allow the message request on your messenger. So that is how to manage your message request on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.